John Henrik, in his book, African History Project, argued that history is a clock that people use to tell the political time of the day. It is also a compass that people use to find themselves on the map of human geography. History tells a people where they have been and what they have been. It is also tells people where they are and where they ought to be. Most importantly, history tells a people where they still must go and what they must be. Like the history of many parts of the non-Western world, the history of the Igbo people has been an endeavor as marginalized as the continent's history. Yet, the Igbo past is truly a global tale in many respects. Understanding this past from a global perspective provides opportunity to rethink the past as it has been told through the traditionally Eurocentric narrative of the past. But most importantly, it helps us to reaffirm an Igbo identity, one that has been changing historically, but often contested too.